Hello, and welcome to the Blackpurl release highlights from June 8th, 2020. What's in this update? A key highlight is our brand new Shop dashboard. Blackpurl already offers a number of flexible ways to keep track of your operations performance. This includes powerful, customizable reporting and a dashboard full of helpful shortcuts. With the addition of our new Workshop dashboard, we've added an elegant, simple way to display the current progress of all of your open service jobs. Whether you display this dashboard on a screen mounted in your shop or leave it for your service team to reference on their own computers, it saves time and helps simplify life in the service department. To get to the dashboard, start from anywhere in Blackpurl. Then, on the top navigation bar, tap on Reporting and choose Workshop Dashboard. Then, you'll be able to see each open service job and a few key stats. For instance, how many hours the job was estimated for, how many hours have been clocked on the job to date, how many were clocked today, and how job efficiency is tracking. However you end up using the dashboard, our hope is that it is another simple, useful tool to make your operation as smooth and profitable as possible. For more details on this new release or a walkthrough tutorial, check out the matching Blackpurl community article, linked below.